Hi guys, here is how you can remove the timestamp from the audio transcribed from the Audacity. Now in our previous video, we have shown how you can transcribe audio using Audacity. If you do not know how to do it, please check our other video. Anyway, once the audio has been transcribed, highlight the transcribed text, go to File, Export Others, and Export Labels. I'll save it on the desktop, and instead of saving it as text document, save it as .vtt format and save it. So it is done. Close this. So here is the VTT file. Let me quickly open this with Notepad. Drag this VTT file to Notepad. So here is the text. Now we need to remove these timestamps. To do that, go to our website heyletslearnsomething.com, go to Applications and click on Remove Timestamp. Now you can paste your timestamp here or even upload the VTT file. Please be assured that this website does not save anything. To confirm this, I'll simply disconnect the internet. So the internet has been disconnected. Now let me copy this text and paste it here and process text. And here is the text without timestamps. You can copy text and paste it on the notepad, and all the timestamp has been removed. You can also download it as text and it will be saved as output. So here is the text. Alternatively, you can also click on Choose File and upload this VTT file and process text, and you will find the text. If you want no spaces, you can paste it instead of uploading. And again, our website does not save anything. As you can see, it is doing completely offline. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.